Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Fansells. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Fansells. So I have 3 diamond paintings here and a diamond painting accessory. So let's do the accessory first. So I've been seeing these around. People have used them to clip their diamond painting to their light pad. I don't use a light pad, but my mom has recently gotten really into the diamond painting, and she wants to use the light pad, so I figure let's try these out. I don't have my light pad with me because she's currently diamond painting and using them, but I do have my cutting board, well, you know, my cutting board here, and I have this small diamond painting here, and let's see if this does clip onto there. It's actually pretty stiff on there, so yeah, if I guess if I were to do a diamond painting on a light pad, you didn't want to move it. And I think also for people who have one of those what do you call those, the stands, so you could work on your diamond painting this way, these would really work also. I do have a drafting table, and what I used to do is I actually have like big clips, because I would clip my whole diamond painting to the table. So, but yeah, I think these are actually pretty decently strong clips here. So this clips here, I think I'm supposed to have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, there's 8 pieces. This is 69.69 pounds. So what is that? 69 pence, right? I think someone told me that that's what they call their cents in the UK pounds. So yeah, there's that one. They are actually pretty small. Let me get my ruler. So this is only about 2.5 centimeters long by like about 1 centimeter wide. So yeah, if you like to work on a light pad, you don't want your diamond painting moving around on this, maybe this might be something to try out. Oh. So next item, whichever I end up picking up, so this one is a special shape. I think they're all going to be special shaped in this video. I've been really enjoying the special shapes for whatever reason. So I've been kind of almost preferentially getting them. So it's an ordinary toolkit here. And ta-da, here it is. It's this, I guess, fruit paper quilling inspired diamond painting. And let me just flatten it out. And there is, man, I have so much static going on now. Ooh, it's gonna be bad when I do my kitting up. Which I'm planning to do like right after this video. So I'm not even gonna have time to let them settle. So there are 11 colors in here. That does look like there is crystal code, and it looks primarily symbol based. So lots of symbols here, but I don't think any of them look similar. So I think it'll be fine here. And there's only 11 colors. How hard can this be, right? How hard can this be? So let's look at the drills. So there's 11 colors. So I apparently went and got the side with the big drills first. So some big drills here. Some really beautiful AB dome ones. Ooh, gold ones. I like the gold ones. And this looks like white AB drills. Some yellow rhinestones, purple rhinestones, orange, and then some green and red here. So this one is $3.49 in pounds on their site. And did I measure it? It is a 24.5 by 25. So next diamond painting. So this next diamond painting is also a special shape diamond painting. So ordinary toolkit, except this come with some plastic tweezers. Like I said, special shapes. Ooh, these are strange. And here it is. It's a mandala. So, and it's like a full coverage mandala. I've noticed on these like mandalas, when I look at the drill field, it tends to look a lot different than real colors. Like if you look at the color scheme on the thumbnail here, it looks much different than what's on the symbols, but I'm sure it'll turn out beautiful when it's done. And I am getting so much static. Okay. I'm just like getting zapped. So it seems like there are 12 colors in this. The symbols are just 1 through 12, it looks like, and there is some sort of code on there. So maybe it's a crystal code. I know 4 is red, so if it's a red color in the crystal code, so if 4 is red, even though it looks like a yellow. All right, 3 is, yeah, no, it's red. So these are interesting. It seems like they are using, this might be for more jewelry because there's holes in the drills. Can you see there's a hole in the drill? If it will focus. Yeah, you can see there's some holes in the drills. So I think these drills are mainly for jewelry making or something, but they're using it for diamond painting, but they're flat on the back, so it should still work. They actually sound a lot different than normal diamond painting drills. So here are the drills, some green teardrops, some blue marquees. Ooh, these are really pretty. They're like AB coated blue marquees here. Some bigger green drills. So these are all bigger. So then these look like they're the regular size rhinestones here. So there's green, yellow, red, blue, and purple here. So yeah, I think this will turn out beautiful once it actually is the right colors. And these are interesting. So those should be fun to do. So next diamond painting. Like I said, I think I was on a special diamond painting kick on this video here. So this one is also a special diamond painting. And so ordinary toolkit, except there are the black tweezers. Like I said, a special diamond painting, special drill diamond painting, and here it is. It's these cups here. Let me see if I could flatten it. If you don't like polka dots, what are you doing diamond painting? But yeah, it's these polka dotted cups here. And there are 17 colors in this one. They're all just 1. The symbols are 1 through 17, so that does make it easier. Drill field wise, I don't think there'll be a problem with this one. Yep. Except, you know, sometimes I could see why drill diamond painting things are not normally, you don't normally put in the whole number, because like that 16 barely looks different than a 6, but 6 is a yellow color, so that should be fine. So yeah, it is much harder to put in the larger number in the little teeny tiny circle there. It's okay for the big circles, but I'm not sure what how the order of the rhinestones are put into this one. So, oh, if I ripped the bag, I'm gonna have to kit this up because I ripped this outside bag. That's a reason to kit things up. So it looks like 16 and 17 are just written on a baggie here. I'm not sure why. Maybe it just got cut off when it was being put together. So some red rhinestones here, some bigger rhinestones. Here, at least all the big rhinestones are put together here. Some pink here. So these are all still the big rhinestones. And then here's the smaller rhinestones that are regular drill size. This looks like black drills, but with the flat top. Some blue drills here. Okay, so this is all number 2. So there is a lot of number 2, which is this blue background here. So this diamond painting is $3.99 in pounds on Fansells' site. And let me put this together. The bag is broken, so I'll have to kit this up, right? That's the thing. The bag's broken, so you have to kit it up. So yeah, this is a 25 by 34.5, and I did say it was $3.99 in pounds. So that's the last one we're unboxing for this video. So in case you need to remember everything else, here is the cups, here's the mandala, and here is the fruit here. And I will finish, hopefully, at least one of these for the end of the video, and I'll see you later. So I'm back, and this one is done, the fruit quilling project, and I think it looks beautiful. Yeah, I think it looks beautiful. It does have, these drills are AB drills. Everything is like special in some way, so no regular drills in this one. And yeah, I think it's just beautiful in its simplicity. And let's see. So this is why this was finished by my mom here. So it's kind of like hard to come up with things to talk about when you're not the one who diamond painted it. But there were 11 colors in this. One of them were ABs, 6 were crystal rhinestones, or 5 were crystal rhinestones and 5 were specials. This did have the crystal code, and it took my mom 1 day to complete this. And oh, there's some wax stuck there. My mom, I do remember that my mom did have some issues with the AB drills. She has not diamond painted with the AB drills much, so she was experiencing while AB drills are beautiful, she was experiencing the issues that you have with AB drills, which is, oh, and if you're new to diamond painting, because I keep forgetting that some of you might actually be very new to diamond painting, and you don't know what I'm talking about. But AB drills are the drills that have like a coating on them, and that kind of give it a not luminous, kind of like an opalescent kind of look to it. So the problem with AB drills, though, is it does stick to the wax. And the trick usually is to use older wax. And if it stops sticking, then stop doing the AB drills, go do another color, and then go back with it with your older wax, because it will pull out the wax. So I don't know if my mom was a big fan of the AB drills just because they were taking out the wax. But yeah, so if you are a new diamond painter, use the old wax for the AB drills. And it should be much better. But yeah, no, it looks good. I didn't realize it was an issue, but maybe if you're a new diamond painter, my mom, I never had this issue, so it's not, so I never thought of talking about it, but my mom does have some problems sometimes figuring out what's the top and the bottom of the drill, and she's been enjoying doing the rhinestone ones more, just because the rhinestone ones are silver at the bottom, so she could tell if the drill is upside down. So I don't know how to help figure out if the drill is upside down or not, but yeah, if you're having that issue, you are not alone, and that's not a reflection on this diamond painting. It's just a reflection on diamond painting technique. So there's that one. And so I'm a massive slacker in this one, and I'm taking the credit of my mom's work. But yeah, my mom also finished this one, this mandala here. And so there were 12 colors, 5 of them were crystal rhinestones and 7 specials. My mom did run out of number 7, which is like this blue color. Luckily, I have tons of this in my spares, so it was not a big deal, but she did run out of it. Probably, she said it was about 5 that she ran out of it, and she asked if I had more. So luckily, like I said, I keep all of my drills. So that was the main thing that I wrote, because she told me I wrote it when I went to get the spare drills. But other than that, no issues. I have to say though, I'm not the biggest fan of the color scheme of this one. It is a lot different than the original picture. So here's the original picture here. And the color scheme is, I think, much different in the original picture than this picture here. So yeah. I'm not sure if I like the color scheme, although it's still beautiful. It's just a weird combination of colors. Yeah, it's just a weird combination of colors. And these drills were actually kind of strange. They have like holes in them. So I guess if I went back into my jewelry making days, I could probably use these for some of my jewelry making. But yeah, other than I'm not sure if I like the color combination, but it still looks beautiful. It's just a little strange in the color combination. So, and also, this one is done. Oh, let me move you up a little bit. These cups here. It's actually, I'm very happy with how this looks. It looks really beautiful. It was like the perfect kind of picture to use these special shapes with. So yeah, it's just these cups here. And like I said, I'm a massive slacker in this video. My mom did all the finishes. So this was also done by my mom, and there's 17 colors, 7 were crystal rhinestones and 10 were special. And this took her 2 days to complete. So yeah. It's beautiful. Very happy with this one. Oops. I did notice that it was after when I ended up ironing this, because a lot of these ones I'm doing for the unboxing, I don't have enough time to just let them settle and flatten out on their own, because I kind of do them, or I kind of kit them up right away and do them right away. So I did iron this before my mom started it, and when I was ironing, I noticed that there were 2 rips or like cuts in the canvas. So I just kind of put some tape in there, and I don't know, I could have done it. I don't know. I don't remember anymore. Maybe I did it when I was unboxing it, or it happened before I got it. But either way, you can't even tell that they're there. So yeah, you can't even really tell that they're there. So yeah, that's the only thing I really have to say about this one, other than it's beautiful. And thank you to my mom for diamond painting them to show on this video. So here are the finishes for this video here. Let me move you up so you can see everything. So thank you to Fansells for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!